So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide this above section. So to hide this section, simply if you want to watch this Google Chrome or Google browser in full screen, simply you have to go to here. You can see three dots. Click here. So you can see there is lots of options. So you can see here zoom. Simply you have to click this section here, full screen, then click on it. Now you can see this is in full screen. So you can move your cursor to above so that you can escape from it, and simply you can press the button escape in your PC keyboard so that you can go back. Let's escape. Let's click escape button, or you can move above and cut it. So you can see this is how you can watch full screen content in your Google Chrome or Google browser. Simply click here, go full screen, escape, press escape in your keyboard so you can escape. That's how you will do it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.